Hello, this is Teacher Jota. What's my name? Teacher Jota, very good. Okay, today it's a very special day because it's the first video in a while. Okay, so I don't maybe 4 years, 3 years, I don't remember. Anyway, this is our new place. Okay, this is called our change playground. Okay, so we're having new things here, but today we're going to do one of my favorite activities, which is an experiment. Okay, but before, what do you see? What is that? We can do exercise too here. And we also have some things here. Those are called beanbags. What are they called? Yes, they are beanbags. And what colors do you see? Let's bring one. Look at that. These are very comfortable. What color is this? Very good. This is green. Okay, we have a green beanbag. I'm going to throw the beanbag back there. There you go. Because today we're not playing with beanbags. Today we're going to play with experiments. But to do that, I need my materials. What do I need? But first, do you like experiments? Maybe you can answer like this. Do you like experiments? Do you like experiments? Yes, you do. There you go. Remember. Okay, very good. We're going to do a very simple experiment, but it's also fantastic. Do you want to see the experiment? Of course. Let me bring the materials. They are heavy. Okay. There you go. So we have lots of things here. Let's start with this. What is this? I think it's a hat. No, it's not a hat. Is this I don't know, a telescope? No. Is this a plastic cup? Yes, this is a plastic cup. What color is it? Is it blue? No, it's not blue. Is it, I don't know, red? Like this? No, it's not red. Is it green? Yes, this is a green plastic cup. But we have two plastic cups. 1 and 2. But this is different. Look at this. We have one big plastic cup and one small plastic cup. And this is green, and this is transparent. Very good. And this cup is empty. And this cup is let's see. It has water. So this is empty and this is full of water. Well, half full of water. So we have two plastic cups. Do you have plastic cups at home? Good. Okay, what else do we have that we have at home? What is this? Maybe it's to comb my hair. No? Okay. But we have two. This is to make music. Could be. But actually, this is a spoon. 2 spoons. One is big, and the other one is small. Big and small. And some people call this one a teaspoon because it's when you drink tea. Okay. But we have a big spoon and a small spoon. Is this big? Very good. Is this big? No, this is small. Very good, very good. So we have 2 spoons. 2 plastic cups, 2 spoons. I don't know why 2. Look at that. What is this? Maybe this is difficult, but this is food coloring. Can you say that? Very good, food coloring. In this case it's red, like this. Like my red bean bag. Very good. I also have a big plate. It's a big plate. And we also have, well, it's big. And it's also round. It's a circle. Oh, it's a circle. And this table is a circle too. What is this? It's a circle. And it's a plate. Interesting. Oh, and the plastic cup. It's also a circle. Okay, this is strange. But anyway, we have something else here. What is this? Some people use this to make cakes. Or cupcakes. Maybe. Or even to clean. But that is another video. This is baking soda. What is this? This is called citric acid. Don't worry, nothing is dangerous. Okay? You use this to cook normally, to make desserts. So let's try to do this. Okay, we put the big plate here in the middle. So we have a big circle and a small circle. And we are going to take the small green plastic cup and put it in the middle. Okay, now, what are we going to do? We need a spoon. Which spoon do you want to use? The big spoon or the small spoon? The big one. Okay, let's use the big one. Okay. And what I'm going to do here is to open. You have to say, open, please. Okay, very good. And here again, open, please. Very good. Okay, so we open this. And we have citric acid and baking soda. Which one do you want to use first? Baking soda. Good idea. So we take the spoon and we count. 1, 2, and 3. How many? 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay. Now we take the other plastic cup and it has water. First of all, we're going to put the food coloring. What color is the food coloring? Is it blue? No. What color was it? Let's see. Let's see what color is this food coloring. Oh, it's red. I put 2 drops, one more. So we put 1, 2, 3 drops. And now we're going to take the small spoon to mix it. And we mix it and mix it. Look at that. What color is this? Yes, it's red. Red. Okay, now. What else do we need? Citric acid. Very good. Okay. Do you remember how many spoonfuls did we put here? 3. Very good. So we're going to put 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Something fell. Okay. But now we have to mix. So let's mix this. Look at that, it's mixing. Is this juice? Am I going to drink this? No, because it's going to be very, very expensive. That's not good. Don't do that. It's super acid. So it's sour. But Now we have to mix the citric acid and the baking soda. Are you ready? Yes, there you go. So let's count. 3, 2, 1. I know, I'm making a mistake. 3, 2, 1. You have to count with me. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! There you go. Now it looks pink. Let's see if we can get more. There you go. So that is science. It's very simple. When you mix citric acid and baking soda, it creates a small explosion. But you can also do it in different ways. You can try baking soda, vinegar, and it will create a reaction, but you need water too. Some people use this combination to create a rocket. Would you like to create a rocket, to build a rocket? There you go. Okay, next time I will show you how to make that rocket. But remember, we have to practice a lot. We have to be careful. We have to get ready so it's not a mess. And we have to listen also carefully so you can follow the instructions. So this is Teacher Jota, and thank you very much for being part of my video one more time. It's been a while. I'm a little bit rusty, but I'm going to put on more videos so you can have fun. Okay, maybe I'm going to dance a little bit, but I'm not that good of a dancer. So, see you next video and see you at Change. You can visit us, our new Change playground.